It's great to have you here. Today, I'll be communicating with you all my leading tips and tricks for earning money online. We're going to go deep into the world of online revenue and explore all the different ways that you can bring in capital using the power of the internet. Be confident to stick around and keep an eye on this video until the very end. Let's jump right in and get started. Number 1. E-commerce store. One of the most popular and profitable online businesses is to set up an e-commerce store. You can sell physical or digital products such as clothing, electronics, books, or courses. You can set up your own website or use online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy to sell your products. Number 2. Online coaching. If you have expertise in a specific space, you can start an online coaching enterprise. You can offer coaching assistance in various areas like fitness, profession coaching, life coaching, business coaching, or any other area of expertise that you deliver. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate commerce is an enterprise model where you broadcast other people's products and earn a commission on every deal. You can advertise products through your website, social media, or email marketing. Number 4. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail actualization approach where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Rather, when a store trades a product, it purchases the commodity from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. It is a low-risk, high-reward business prototype. Number 5. Content creation. If you have a skill for producing entertaining content, you can start a business creating content for blogs, websites, or social media platforms. You can create content in various forms like written articles, videos, podcasts, or infographics. You can monetize your content by marketing ads, sponsored posts, or affiliate links. Thanks for watching. Don't ignore to check out our website for more knowledge and resources on this topic. The link is in the description below.